Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass Real Estate up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 1249 Fox Farm Road. There are so many things that I love about this house, but first come inside and take a look and I will show you. Okay, so first off, here is our street, Fox Farm Road. It will take you into Big Bear Lake, going that way. It'll take you into Moonridge going that way. It'll take you into Big Bear City going that way. So that is one thing I love about it. The second thing, there's so many different unique houses around here. You've got one for 3.6. I have not seen that one. This is like a country saloon. This one is sort of modern inside. Then you've got a rustic one right there. I sold this one as a primary homeowner a few years ago. But this home is total of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,730 square foot. And on over an acre. So very unassuming, because when you look at it from the road, it looks like it does not have a big yard, but I will prove to you that it does. So you've got some grass. The roof is in great shape. I love that they have this stamped concrete on the driveway. Very nice feature. 2-car garage. But we will enter into the main living area, just as you would want to walk through the house. So great trees on the lot too. Appears they have like an irrigation system. Covered front porch area. And so we've got the entryway here. And where I was raised, they had these formal dining room areas. So I'm assuming that that's what this is, or you could, for Big Bear purposes, make it a game room, a kid's living room, an extra bedroom, an office. I really kind of feel like the person that buys this house may be a primary homeowner. Because it's got a lot of space for somebody with a big family. Like, check out how big this living room is. I'll get in the corner. Oh, and so you've got access outside. We will not go outside till the very end of the tour. And so this is what I would envision being your dining room. Right here with your kitchen area to have some bar stools at. We've got some granite countertops. Nice built-in stove. And so a lot of the great features on this house come from the outside. So I cannot wait to show you that. But, so you've got double fridge right here. So much storage. Like, I don't even know that a second home we'd need this much storage. Or, that's why I just feel like it'd be a great primary home. A great secondary home if you had a huge family, though. So this way we're gonna find kind of like more of the utility area of the house. All the bedrooms are on one side of the home. So you've got a half bath and laundry over here, right off of the garage. So let's go in here. Nice workshop area. They've got that opened up. I'm assuming that you could add on to it right there. Have like another area. Because my attic is a great, not only great storage, but it's also a really good, like if I wanted to make it into a climbing gym or something. So got that extra Costco fridge. Workshop, workshop. We've got these beams that hold it up too. So, back inside the home, we will go towards the hallway of the rooms. So again, could be a 5th bedroom if you wanted it to be. So bedroom 1, closet space, maybe like a desk area right here. I love this windowsill and really nice upgraded windows. The trees are just beautiful to look at. I mean, look at this little rose that's waving at us right now. You know, and just with like a few upgrades, you know, you could just paint the room, take the wallpaper, look away. I think it's really kind of ready to go. And then you also need to furnish it, of course. But real nice oak cabinetry. And this is your master. So access to the backyard. I'm assuming your bed goes there or there. Check out how big this bathroom is though. Nice, deep, jetted soaking tub. Private bathroom. Shower. And then there is still one more. Oh, we didn't go in here. I don't think. I could definitely fill this space up. But I think it's meant for like a his and a hers kind of thing. But real great walk-in closet. So let's go to the 4th/5th bedroom. So again, built-in closets right here. Carpet almost looks brand new too. Like have not come across any stains or anything, so there's a chance that it is new carpet. So kind of confusing, but this bathroom comes off the hallway. So if you remember, coming in entryway right here, bedroom, bedroom, bathroom that leads to another bedroom, or you can get to the bedroom the other way. So back down this hallway, we've just got access out back. But I'm going to walk you out there so that we can see it from the kitchen area. So we will start there. If you're looking for a primary home up in Big Bear, secondary home, or this could be a good vacation rental too. Just so centrally located. You could be to the Oktoberfest, the convention center, within just a couple minutes, maybe about like 1.5 miles, 2 miles. So we've got this great covered porch area. Nice to sit out here, have a barbecue, have dinner out there. And it is Trex decking. I think they really enjoyed all the animals that would come along over here because they've got squirrels and birds and just all kinds of different critters. So if you can see the fence line back here, that's all of it. You've also got, it goes street to street, so it'll hit over there too. Oh, I just saw a little chipmunk. But this house, another great thing about it is it's got its own well, which is very uncommon in Big Bear. I mean, you might see that more out in the like Meadowbrook area, maybe even parts of like Baldwin Lake, but likely this is your well house right here. They have done a really good job kind of desert-scaping it, because they've got a few weeds that have grown up, but that's really not that bad for the amount of water that we had this year and when they had to probably pick that up. So likely they have a little barrier down here so that the weeds aren't growing through. Back here, you are going to have access from a redwood. So another thing is that if you are a car person, like this is a lot of area to store your stuff, that's for sure. So RV parking, you know, boat parking. You got, again, one of my favorite trees in the whole wide world. It smells like vanilla, and you actually have quite a bit of them on the property. So let's walk up to the barn area. This looks like maybe they get like a little seasonal creek running through right here. Wood pile. I mean, we're still not even to the edge of the property line, but this goes with it. And so here's your barn. Right here. So they've got it set up like a garage door, but likely you could have some horses in there. And again, more access off of Fox Farm Road. So, I mean, you could put money into this one. And the one across the street, which is another video tour I did several months ago, 3.6 million. So you could have all of this for under $1 million. This right now is, again, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2730 square foot, and over an acre. A little bit of updates here and there to do to it. But if you're willing to tackle the project, wood storage area, I think you'd have a good return on it when you went to sell it, because they just dropped it from $1,099,000 to $995,000. So if you want to take a look, just feel free to reach out. Talk to you soon. Bye.